Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. So welcome to the second part of this change password feature. All right, so this is where we are right now. We're getting all these inputs from the form. Now, these input values. Now we need to make sure that our form is actually linked to this one way or the other before we keep going, right? Because we don't want to write all this code and then not have all these values being submitted, right? And then have to work on that. So let's go and let me see. What I'm gonna do is let's go back into dashboard. This is where I'm gonna put that button. I wanna put a button that would take me to the change password template, all right? So this button here, where should we put it? This is one button, or should I say an anchor tag here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this guy and I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste it and put it right below this one here. I mean, right above. And I'm gonna change this one to say change password. Just like that, right? Let's see how that looks. And you can see that it looks awful, all right? So let's go and work around this a little bit and let's change some of these things here just to make it look good, all right? So we want it rounded, large, that's fine. The slate here, I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna change rows to slate. And I'm gonna make this 800. The padding here is fine. This text here, let's change this to slate, 300, that's okay. And here, let's change this to slate, and let's make this 700. All right, let's go back and see how that looks. All right, so that's this color here. You can see that. All right. Another thing here, let me see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this inside a div and I'm gonna organize these links a little better, okay? Because right now they are inside a p tag. So I'm gonna just take the p tag out of here, just like that. And let me put that ending div right here. Let me just save it so that way it's organized. So what I did is I took the paragraph out and I wrapped everything in a div, right? And now here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give this a couple classes that are gonna make this look a lot better. So I'm gonna do flex items, center, and then we'll want a gap here of, let's say 3 is fine. Now let's go back here, let's refresh, and now you can see that button's right there. Now, I don't like the background here. It's not looking good, so that's why, because I misspelled it. And let's do it right now. And you can see now that it looks a lot better. So now, let's make sure that that's actually linking to where we need it. So let's change this to change password. And voila. Boom. Works, right? So now let's use some print statements here and let's see if we can get some of these values out, right? So what I want is I'm gonna print the request form and let's see how that looks. And let's go into the console. And you can see now that we are able to get this immutable multi-dictionary with the current password, new password, and confirmed password. So it's working, right? So now that we got that, we're good to go. So I'm gonna leave this lecture, the next part for the next lecture, because I want you guys to make sure that your form, your button here is actually working, and I want to make sure that you guys are getting the right data from the form. Now, one thing here before we go to the next one, put a decorator here to have a login required in here, all right? This login required decorator, just put it in here so that way we have to be logged in to access this, right? So I'll see you guys on the next lecture. Keep it up, keep being consistent every single day, guys. You're gonna do it. It's only a matter of time. Take it one step at a time and you will do it, all right? You will become a master in Python. It's only a matter of time. I'll see you guys on the next lecture.